Hi guys, today's video is one that I am so excited for and have been waiting for a little while. I ordered the lash liner system and I paid for it with all my own money, so this video is not sponsored or anything like that. I've been waiting for quite some time for these because they were on back order. These are the Los Angeles. These are the Los Angeles. What are these? Eyelashes. There we go. I couldn't think of what they were called. That's so funny. So these are the Los Angeles eyelashes. I forgot again. Are you kidding me? Okay, you know what? I'm just having troubles today. This is what they look like, and then it comes with 10 anchor magnets, which are the little magnets that go under the eyelashes. These are magnetic eyelashes, by the way. Wow, I am really starting off this video really on a roll. Can we just talk about how cute this packaging is? I always thought that it was rough. I was like, oh, I bet you that because it's glitter, it's going to be rough. No, it's smooth. It's crazy. And then it's just like this, and there's a little mirror in there, and then the little lashes. So cute. Oh my goodness. Love the packaging. The little bundle that I bought, it came with the lashes and also the liner, the magnetic liner. And I've heard that you can use this magnetic liner with any magnetic lashes and it works with those too. So you don't only have to buy their brand of lashes, but you can buy their magnetic eyeliner and it will work with any magnetic lash. So that is really awesome. I'm also going to test that because I have some of the EYELINER magnetic lashes and I like them. The only thing is I don't like having the bottom ones on. If this magnetic eyeliner works, then I won't have to use the bottom eyelashes. I bought these after watching Tati's video, Glam Life Guru, here on YouTube. They looked amazing and I was like, I have to have these. I watched that video and I went and purchased them like 5 minutes later. Let's go ahead and try this out. It is said to work on top of eyeliner already, so let's try this out. It's more of a thicker formula. For this next application, I'm going to use this angled brush right here to apply the eyeliner because I feel like that's going to be easier for me. So this eye feels like it is dry, and I'm going to go ahead and do another coat. It does look like this liner has some sheen to it, which I'm more of like a matte type of eyeliner girl. I'm going to put another coat on this other eye. I like doing this with the brush, this eyeliner brush, instead of the little liner brush it comes with because I have more control and it just seems to be easier for me. So if using a separate brush works better for you guys, then I would suggest doing that if you decide to get this. This right here has magnets in it because like, click, ah, ah. Oh my goodness. Okay, ready? Can you guys see that? It's like, it's magnetized. Look at that. Okay, right there, and then there, and there. Are you kidding me? That is so cool. That is amazing, and these eyelashes are so pretty. This is like a magic trick. kind of sorcery is this? Ready for this magic? Click, click, and click. Okay, just like that. Bring it down, click, and then like that. This is so cool. And they don't feel heavy or anything, like they feel really light. So I guess for the sake of this video, I'm just going to try and use one of these little anchor magnets that they come with. I don't know if you guys can see this. No, you cannot because my finger is covering it. So it's a little magnet like this. And then the lash is on the little magnet. They're just really tiny. I'm going to take these little tweezers that I have, this little lash applier, and I'm just, for the sake of the video, I don't think I'll ever wear these unless I'm going somewhere super windy. I'm just going to try and apply these. This is what I hate the most about magnetic eyelashes, like these ones, is I have to put bottom ones on. So I'm not good at this. I'm going to try. Okay, that just applied. Okay, I guess I'll try one more. It comes with 10 of these. So maybe I should just try one for like this inner corner area. I can't even feel those. Like, I feel like my eyelash is more secure. It already feels secure already, but I mean, it feels like it's more secure with these little things. And hello, this is amazing. This is amazing. I want to go and purchase like 100 more of these. Where is it? There. I'm just going to take the whole lash off because there, that one is. It's right there. I'm going to take these EYELINER ones. And these are like the Baroque half lash ones. These are going to make me Baroque and male. Okay, this is what it looks like, and the little magnets are on both ends. There's none in the middle. These are half lashes, so I'm just going to apply them, and it works 100%. And that works. It really does. That is so cool. The only thing that I can tell from these ones right here is that the magnets aren't as strong as the lash liner system lashes. But since it comes with these little anchor magnets, the lash liner system comes with these little anchor magnets, I could put those on under this lash and I feel like they would stay. This lash, because there's none in the middle, that's where I feel like I would need to put the anchors, because they are staying on the ends. As you can see, like there's a magnet there. Like, it is staying on the end and on the front piece, but I feel like just for the extra security, because the magnets aren't as strong as the lash liner system ones, I would definitely use anchor magnets with those. This is so cool. Like, whoever came up with this is a genius. That's amazing. I'm going to zoom you guys back out. This is what I am looking like with the lashes. I saw Tati use her Dyson to like blow air on the lashes to see if they would fly off. I'm going to take you guys with me to go get my hair dryer and see if we can make sure that these puppies stay put. Okay, my camera battery is about to die. You're going to be sideways for a little bit because that's how my tripod is right now. I'm just going to take this and this and try and see if these flashes stay. Okay, I'm going to do it on cool air too. And my dryer's not plugged in. This is great. Hurry, McKenna, hurry. Oh my gosh. Are they still on? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! They're still there. Look how crazy. Look, my hair. Oh my gosh. They're still on. Zoom in. What? 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 Okay, you guys, there you have it. It's safe to say I love these. I love the style of the lashes. They feel amazing. The band is great. They're not heavy. They feel beautiful. They make me feel beautiful. This eyeliner is easy to apply with a separate brush for me, but that's just personally, like, I feel like the brush itself is just hard for me to work with. The liner itself feels great. It hasn't irritated my eyes or anything like that. I'm in love with these. I'm speechless, really. This is so amazing and revolutionary. A big, like, round of applause for the lash liner system. Amazing. Outstanding. I'm in love. This is great. This is a great way to end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tell me what you think of these lashes in the comment section down below. Are you wanting to try these? Are you going to try these? I mean, I know that once I saw Tati with these and how she tried them, I instantly had to try them. So if you're going to try them, let me know down below in the comments. I think you'll love them. Amazing. Not sponsored. Don't have any affiliation with these. This is just an amazing product. Oh my goodness, I am blown away. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. You can always share the video as well. It always helps my channel to grow, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Just gonna flutter these lashes.